Today I'm going to share how I effectively manage my projects using these powerful tools. These are Trello, Asana, and Slack. These tools helps streamline workflows, enhance communication, and keep everything organized. So let's dive in. First is this Trello. Trello is a visual project management tools that uses boards, lists, and cards to organize tasks and projects. So here, as you can see, I already created my own board, which the MBA online training. This board will serve as my central hub where I organize all the tasks and stages of my project. I also break down the project into stages like these goals for this week, to dos, in progress, done, and next project. So here for my goals for this week. These are my week one portfolios. As you can see here, I've also listed down all my tasks and these are all the portfolios that I have need to accomplish within this week. I also have here some labels that categorize if I have need to do some portfolio, Canva, video, Google Sheet, and other kinds of labels that you prefer. You can personalize it based on what you want. And I also added here some attachment like my Google Drive access so I can easily uh, track my folders here. So once you click that link, you will proceed on your Google folders or Google Drive. So there you go. So here on your uh, categorized list or cards, you can easily maintain a good workflow of your projects by uh, accomplishing those to-do tasks. Like for example, here, once I've already done on my workflow and Asana, I just check this box and it shows that these cards are already completed. So I just drag this card here going to my done folders. So there you go. That's how it works in Trello. So let's move in Asana. Here in Asana, like Trello, Asana is a project management tool that focuses on planning, tracking, and managing team projects and tasks. You can start by creating a project. So if in Trello it called boards, here in Asana you call it project. So within this project, you can create tasks and subtasks. So here, you can rename your task as to do, like on your Trello. I have here to do, doing, and done. So here are my major tasks like creating online booking. And on creating online booking, you have some subtasks, meaning what are uh, specific features that you have need to added on your online booking, like for example add customer, add suppliers, track deposit, and track expenses. You can also assign them to your team member, or if it's assigned to you, you can just click your name here, and you can also set due dates just to track if you're still on time, or if this project is already overdue. And you can also add descriptions, and you can also add here attachment like in Trello. So here in description, you just put some information or an instruction if you have need some details. Then here in attachment, you can choose some attachment from your Google Drive, so you can easily access it here by clicking any of these files or folders. So here, once you have some other members assigned to this project, they can also see you and access this attachment. Here in Asana, you can organize your tasks within a project using section to represent different places or categorize. Like for example, putting some priority remarks or status remarks just to uh, categorize if it's for to do in progress or done, or it is a high priority, meaning it is an urgent task, or medium and low. So it is more a simplest workflow than in Trello, which is in a card type. Here, it's just a simplest form of task, and you can also drag this task, putting it on your doing, or you can also click these details and this tab to move it between those sections like doing or done if the status are already changed to what is based on your remarks. So that's all with our Asana workspace. So let's move on our Slack. Slack is a communication platforms that facilitate real-time messaging, file sharing, and collaboration. So here in this Slack, you can create your own workspace. I have here two workspace. So let's discuss the Surge MBA online training. Here you can create different channels for per projects or department or topics. Channels help keep conversation organized. So if you have questions regarding Asana, you can ask a question to your teammate based on this channel, the Asana or Canva or General. And here in Slack, you can also add different apps like we have here Google Drive, Asana, Trello. So based on this integration and bots, you can add some shortcuts to where you access your Trello and Asana. So let's make an example. So let's go to our Trello channel wherein you can just type Trello. Then uh, if you have here your Trello URL, you can just, oops, it was in a caps lock. So let's just do it again. So just type slash Trello, then space, and paste your Trello URL, and all of your teammates can access these files. So here, when you click that MBA online training, they will proceed on your Trello workspace. So we can also use your Slack to create a new card from your Trello. So let's have some example here. So let's type slash. Then you can have a shortcut here for creating your card. So let's just click this one, and you will now proceed with your board, which is your MBA online training. Then you need to choose from this list if it's for your to-dos in progress done. So for example, you have a topic here on your channels, then uh, you come up to what you've have need to do, like for example an online bookkeeping. There you go. And then put some description and make a selection if you want it to be posted on top or on the bottom of your card list. So I'll just choose the top and then choose your member if who will be the assignee for this task and set a due date, for example July 29. Then put some labels, like for example you need to do your uh, online bookkeeping through Google Sheets, so just click that one and then click create. So once the card of online booking is already on your board, we can now just check our Trello account. So here you can now see that uh, this card is already added to your to-dos. So it's a big help that in Slack you can just easily update your Trello and Asana by the use of this shortcut method of Slack. So by leveraging Trello, Asana, and Slack, you can create a cohesive and efficient project management workflow. Trello helps you organize tasks visually, while Asana aids in detailed planning and tracking, and Slack enhances communication and collaboration. So, together, these tools can help you stay on top of your projects and ensure successful outcomes. So, that's it. Thank you for joining me today. Bye.